Welcome to Dakota's Spooky Decor. We're making a pride wreath today. So the first step includes skulls, of course. We need 6. We're going to sand them down and get them painted. I did about 3 coats on each skull. While those dry, let's grab the rest of our stuff. I scored these 6 lays in a pack at Party City. I also got my beaded necklaces from Party City. Now you can get lays and beaded necklaces at the Dollar Tree, but they did not include the color orange, which was necessary for this project. Luckily, Party City came through, and don't forget your wreath form. I'm telling you, this whole project is super easy. All you're going to do here is loop the necklace under and then over the second to the last rod, then pull the necklace through itself. I mean, you could do it on any rod that you want on this wreath form. That's just the one I chose. I thought that was a good spot. Now you'll see here on the first try that I even messed up because I started the necklace behind the wreath form instead of in front of it. And I don't want it laying under the wreath form, I want it laying over it. But that is a super easy fix that you'll see I'll get to here in just a minute. Here where we have this extra space is where we're going to start attaching our lays. Starting with the red lay on the left side, we're going clockwise. I'm going to stick it through the wreath form and then pull the lay through itself, just like I did with the necklaces. And then we're going to wrap the lay around the wreath form and stick it through the form again. Now we'll grab the next color, our orange lay, stick that through the previous lay, and then loop it through itself, and then wrap that lay around the wreath form and do the exact same thing with the rest of the colors. We are already at the last step, and that is to add the skulls. I used E6000 and hot glue to attach them together in a circle. Now, I don't think this step was necessary. I think I could have just attached them to the wreath itself, and you'll kind of see what I mean here in a minute. At this point, I realized I did not think this through all the way. I wish I would have maybe glued some popsicle sticks to the wreath form so then I could have glued the skulls to those popsicle sticks. Um, Instead, I just ended up using a ton of hot glue to glue them to the lays and anywhere that the skulls touched the metal wreath form. Once that hot glue dried, I went in with E6000 and let that dry as well. If you are planning on putting this outside in hot weather, you do not want to rely on the hot glue because it will melt. And it's pretty much finished. Here it is, our super easy, spooky skull pride wreath. I absolutely love it. I think it is adorable. I hope everyone out there that is watching is inspired to go create and be passionate about whatever you love. Remember to love yourself and happy Pride Month. I hope everyone out there had a fun and a safe one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay spooky.